Welcome to Golden Triangle, the meeting point of the three countries, Thailand, Laos, and Myanmar.
Вот вы видите, каскадеры, ценой его.
200 years, we have the popular teacher, Laos teacher. No, because in the past we have law. That's why they hunting.
Ready?
They hunting animals. We live from Thailand. In front of you, you can see the red roof. That is Myanmar. And on your right hand side, this is Laos. Yes, now we are at the Golden Triangle. The river that we are on now, we call Mekong River. China's people, they call this river Mekong River. But starting from China, south of China, 4,350 kilometers from China beach. So this is original, it's a copy one. The original one under this water down there. We have the temple nearby the bank of the river. So the local people, they make these statues. It's safe for the original one. Because after time by color of the water. The other side, more muddy. This river from Myanmar. Yes, we call Ruak River. Ruak River divide Thailand and Myanmar. This rainy season, water very high. You can see the island in the middle. And some here, if we have very bad storm from China, so people live only mountain. You can search from the Google Map. Yes, all the mountain. So the people they are training, we have the chief in China. Yes, it's a big family for the scammer. This is a shipping boat. Yes, so if somebody been to Myanmar, you will see like they are very high religious. Yes, and the temples and everything, and the people they also very religious in Myanmar. 3 o'clock, everyone in the islands. Yeah, the water is really high. Yes, they have so many kinds of fish in this river. More than 1,000 water fish. We call giant catfish in here. They live in this area. The skin is like a catfish. Yes, it's really big one. Now today we can see from the lake, Thailand lake, or the river like this. You have a lot. Actually, this one for the animal. This is from the real pictures. In the past, we can plant like this up on the mountain, like maybe like 5 acres, 10 acres of the place of the mountain. Yeah, where we are now, we are around here. This is where the location of the Golden Triangle. So our neighborhood, this is the Myanmar. The green one, the dark green. Laos here, and Cambodia here. China, Vietnam is a purple colors. In our region, we never one of the country is quite safe for the typhoon, because every time with the typhoon coming, they will pass from Vietnam first, Pacific Ocean, or the Andaman, yes, and in our country. Alright, this is all the boat from China. Yes, all the boat from China, the ferry. This is immigration to go to the family, to go to the China properties here. Yeah, so you have to show your passport, stamp your passport here, Bangkok architectures, Buddha image is quite different from the Bangkok. Yes, a hotel. We have the 5-star hotel here. We are very like sensitive. If we have the lot for our rubber rice, they bought lots of rice from Thailand.
The whole city that's
It's
completely
very beautiful. Yes. Inside the basement complex, they have one of the location. A lot of people like backpacker, they do the slow boat from here. I did that, and you overnight on the mainland. Yes, at the Hoi San. I really like recommend for to do the slow boat because on the side of the river you can see lots of things. Yeah, you can see the local people. Yes, and they are happy. Yes. They have 2 casinos here.
Those buildings are all empty.
I think so.
Yeah.
Yes. Empty. You know, like in laundry. Yes. They did a lot in Thailand. Yeah. You see the hotel, very beautiful. They have planned to make the environment thought to be okay for the people that they live in this area, but finally, because I didn't have anything for the local people here. Even like worker, they took from next down to here. Now, so actually, Chiang Rai is very nice, and Golden Triangle very nice. If you came here like last month or 7 Celsius, 7, 10, 15, 12 Celsius for the accommodations. This is not local people. Maybe some local they have lands and house, but they don't have budget to earn for the business, to make for the business. So this is sometimes very dangerous. I run the tour, 1-day tour from Chiang Mai to here, and rainy season. So the local people, they do fishing here, around here. At morning time, they go and get it and selling at the market. So the local people here, they eat a lot for the fresh fish. The local people, they still running for this business because one of the way that they can earn money. Parking here, yes. No, we don't go there. This is the old parking, but the little hut, the where they are resting. Yes, somebody they go back home and they come back and then they're resting here because they have to come back here every day. Yes, throw the net into the river. Somebody they live here, so up after
Позади меня рыбацкий поселок.
we have the Laos communities. Only in this area, like not Laos people, they live here. So from a part of Thailand, we have this river from the north to the northeast of Thailand. Yes, and we use lots of water from here for the agriculture. In the south of China, they make the dam. Every summer, we have the government pay it. Actually, they got paid. The government they got money, but the local people they got get the money. I try to say no product from the China, but sometimes it's really hard. Mostly the product from Thailand they produce from China. This is the product Chiang San district, Chiang San district, so it's a part of the Chiang Rai.
Авиационный центр Тайланда.
It's the old town. The small boat like over there on the right hand side. This is halfway.
Швартовой.
Швартов.
Сейчас проделали небольшую прогулку на водяном транспорте, где две речки сливаются одна в другую и образуют треугольник, где сходятся три страны. Специально для моего YouTube канала «Ритмы Кливленда» Александр Туровский, Таиланд.